So good morning guys. Today is my birthday, so literally I want to show you how the day starts off. I just did some little bit of house chores and now I'm be eating my breakfast, and then later I'll be showing you my online classes. I won't be able to show my house chores because I'll be really busy, so I will just start off showing with that. Not showing off, guys, this is my lunch. So I'm not showing off, but I just want to show you what's my lunch. So this is what I'm eating. I'm sorry that I couldn't take the whole video because I was quite busy whole day with house chores, and I told you my house is really noisy. Yes, the noise is literally noisy. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, I would just take a quiet place, or if I could. So I wanted to show an example of the photos that I put in the album. So this is one of two of them that I took. This flower is that like my grandma planted the lily flower in front of my house, and this is literally the scene at 7 a.m. in front of my house. So was the total scene, that how it looked. So I could only show the two because the other two is my photos. So I think when the day that you can see my face, I can show everything. Okay? So we're all set for this now. The back will show 10. Like, can you see the 10? Yeah. So there's 10 films right now. Okay, done. So now we're gonna be waiting for the fourth present to come. I'm really excited. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, this is the last present I got. I got it from colourpop, which is the It's My Pleasure palette. Um, it's not a kind of limited edition, but I just love the color, how it was. I didn't really expect to get this color, but I thought I would get the Orange You Glad palette, but finally I got this palette. Let me show you the inside part. These colors are super gorgeous. I just love the glitter ones. The matte ones look okay, but I just love mostly are the glitter ones. My favorite are, I love this, the Do or Do, Earthshine, and also Chiclet. Like my favorite colors from this palette. It's so pretty. The colors are really vibrant and beautiful, so you should really go and get them. It's kind of a bit affordable, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe and give it a like for this video, and comment down below if you think anything about my video. So thank you so much everyone, and see you in the next video. Bye! Don't forget to also listen and please read my new updates of my blog post and my podcast. Bye!